Welcome back. This is MoTech. In program number 34, we are going to learn how to use pointers in C++. As we have a guide from our book, we can see figure number 65 shows a simple pointer program where a pointer called my pointer of data type int is pointing to x. It has stored the value of x. So figure 65 with the piece of program how it should look like from compiler, and figure 66 is how your output should be looked from the console. So let us go on our compiler and write this program. So create new file by Control N in dev C++ #include iostream #include iostream. Here using namespace std yeah, everything is fine. Int main, our main function, so that is put a comment, pointer program in C++, pointer program in C++. So declaring pointer of type int called my pointer int pointer my pointer int my pointer. Okay, that is the name of pointer called my pointer. Variable x also is of data type int. So let's do initialization. Let's assign two value, the variable created to the variable x, variable declared. Assigning, put a comment, assigning of value to a pointer, Okay, my pointer is equal to ampersand x. So we make this pointer point to the address of x, so we can use pointer to access value of x, because if pointer is the address of something, so you can get something by using the address. Okay, so cout my pointer cout my pointer, end line, put semicolon, cout put x, then end line. That's the end of our program. You should just return 0. So my pointer is carrying the address of x. So by seeing, if we see out my pointer, we'll get the value of x, because my pointer store the address of X. Let me say your address is PO Box 122 Manchester in UK. So that is the address, but by using that address, I can get you. This is the same applied to pointer. My pointer here is like address of X. So you can access X by using my pointer. Let's see how this program is saved. Oh, this program is saved as my pointer. Let's compile it and save it as my pointer. My pointer dot c double p. Okay, everything is right on our side. Let's compile it. Okay, you can see my pointer print 2 and X print 2 because this point to this, so that's why they are the same. So let's compare output from the console to the output of our book to see how right we are. So if you can see good, the output from our book in figure 66 is the same with output from our console. That is how pointer is. Thank you for watching. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show more support for us. Thank you. See you in the next video.